I've decided to put to test the effectiveness of the panic or emergency buttons in apps like Uber and Ola. I'm going to book an Uber first, see how that goes, and follow the same process with rival Ola. I've been riding for a few minutes now, and it's time to put the panic button to test. Both Uber and Ola are very responsive with their callbacks after you have pressed the panic button. But what if your phone is taken away from you? What if the driver gets rid of his own phone? How do they track you down then?